Welcome to Copenhagen International Airport, where I will fly from Copenhagen to Doha with Finnair flight AY1985, and the check-in area is in Terminal 2, so you have to pass through Terminal 1 to get there, and it was very crowded, but it didn't take that long. It took about 25 minutes to go through, and now we're in the tax-free area. I got some water as well, where they sell a bundle deal there with the water. But it's pretty interesting because Finnair is obviously a Finnish airline, but they do fly a daily flight from Copenhagen to Doha, and you have to go pretty early to your gate. So I had no time to go to any lounge or anything, and this is the Finnair A330. I love A330. It's just a classical airplane, and now it's time for boarding. And here is the premium economy seat, guys. 22L was my seat, and the space is pretty good, especially the size of the screen was very good. It's even bigger than China Airlines premium economy from what I can remember. And the seat recline as well was not bad, and you get a few magazines there as well. So I would say as a premium economy seat, based on what I've tried other airlines, it's a very good seat actually, and there's a lot of space, and they even gave this kind of like head pillow, which was a very good tool for when you're relaxing, but unfortunately you have to give it back, so it's not a gift, but it was a very nice touch from Finnair to give this out. And this is a seat from a different angle. The seat recline is just a little bit more than a regular economy seat, nothing really particular, but it's, you know, a larger seat and just a little bit more comfortable than an economy seat. You also got a blanket and noise cancelling headphones, and this blanket was of very good quality. So far things are looking very good, and we're almost ready for takeoff. The premium economy cabin is a 232 configuration, and it was completely full, which was a little bit surprising actually, but I guess that has to do with the fact that actually I didn't buy a premium economy ticket. It was an economy ticket, and I just chose the seat. So maybe it's some kind of bug or something, because we got better food than economy. So I don't know what's up with that, but that's just a tip for you guys. If you fly economy, you can just literally choose the seat in the premium economy cabin. The flight entertainment system was very good and very responsive screen, and they even had an extensive menu where you can read about the food that they are gonna serve. So very nice. And I also love this feature here. They had cameras, right? So one forward, one downward camera, which was a very nice feature that I can't remember seeing unless on an A380. So it was time for takeoff, and I could watch the takeoff from the camera and from the window. So hope you guys will enjoy this takeoff. The crew also handed out a small amenity kit bag which contained of earplugs and an eye mask and some small kind of like perfume thing. But it was very nice, a very nice touch there from Finnair, and it was of very good quality as well. So I have to say that was a nice touch there, even though the flight is not that long, it's about 5.5 hours. And like I said, the seat recline and the space was much better than economy, so it's a very good deal, especially when you don't even pay for the premium economy. I just chose the seat, so I was so happy, and the ambiance in the cabin was very nice as well. The lighting, I liked everything, and they handed out warm towels there just before lunch. And the tray table was clean, and it was pretty big as well, much bigger than the normal economy tray table. So now it's time for lunch, and they were serving lunch, and the only thing I would say is maybe the staff, they're not that friendly, honestly, but other than that, everything was perfect. I got the signature blueberry juice which they recommended, which was very good, and they handed out some peanuts as well, kind of like as an appetizer. And here is the food, guys, and I have to say it was very good. So the cold plate is a green pea hummus with trumpet, mushroom, carrots and dill oil, and it was delicious. Then the main meal is a burnt beef end with potato gratin, tomato compote and vegetables. And then there was a brownie there as well, but 10 out of 10 for this meal, guys. It was very, very good, so I'm very happy with that. They also had regular cutlery which was neatly packed, so that was a very nice touch as well. But the food was very, very good, so I'm very pleased with that. And I finished everything in like 4 or 5 minutes or something because it was so good and I was so hungry. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for the food on Finnair Premium Economy. The crew dimmed the light in the cabin, which was totally fine because it was an afternoon/evening flight anyway, and it was a very nice ambiance. And yeah, so far very good experience on the Finnair. And I got a muffin as well as a snack just before landing, and I opted for some more water, and they also were walking around handing out water as well, so that was a nice touch there. And I have to say, guys, that the headphones, noise cancelling headphones, they were very good. Like, I mean, my Bose are better, but they were actually very good compared to other airlines that I've tried. So good on them for that. And I was watching on the beautiful screen there just some travel documentary or something, but it was pretty interesting. Then I was just relaxing, but now it's time for landing and a summary. Alright guys, so now we have arrived at Doha Airport. This was a transfer for me, so I have to keep going with Qatar Airways back to Vietnam. But overall, I was very happy with the product, especially because I actually didn't pay for premium economy. But yeah, so far everything was good. The only thing, like I said, the friendliness of the staff, maybe not the best, but the food, the seat, everything was very good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.